Hello friends, welcome to Super Crazy Hacks. Today I am doing experiment of science project hot water and cool water. Let's start. Take in one glass like this, plastic, hot water and cool water. Take any colors. Open the cap. I am taking green. In hot water, it is taking very fast. In cool water, it is taking so much time. Some glasses. Hot water.
తీ తొందరగా ఫాస్ట్ కలియకు
This you have to in science project. This is the science project for us. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget the bell icon. Thank you.